Hi there, my name is Mary Purdy. I am an integrative and eco-minded registered dietitian, and this video is about making videos. So I have some tips for you today that I hope will be helpful. And just note up front that I ain't perfect. I don't try to be, I don't claim to be, and I'm not. So this video itself may not be perfect. And you know what? That's just fine. In fact, that is my tip number one. You do not have to be perfect when you make a video. In fact, it's better if you're not, because then it just comes across as being authentic and you. So if you're aiming to be perfect, that might really actually wind up immobilizing you and be the enemy of your progress. So scrap being perfect and just be real. Tip number two, wear something that you feel comfortable in. So something that you feel like you're yourself, something that is not too distracting, so not too many patterns. And the same goes for basically your background. It shouldn't be overly distracting with lots and lots of things that might make someone go like, what is that thing on her collar? Or what's that thing in the background? Is that a piece of artwork? Just keep it fairly simple. I would say my background is not optimal, but whatever, it's fine. It ain't perfect, but it's gonna be just fine for this video. Tip number three, choose a topic that you love and are excited about and that you feel comfortable speaking about. So if you are excited, if you're passionate, that is going to come through in your video. And if you're not necessarily knowledgeable or comfortable talking about the topic, it might start to feel a little stilted or maybe not as authentic as you want it to be. So make sure that you're talking about something that you feel like you're really ready to talk about and that you have something to say about. Tip number four, practice. Yes, it's great to feel in the moment and just go with the flow of what you're saying, but it can be really, really helpful to actually practice saying certain words and phrases and sentences and how you put tips together or how you put ideas together. So make sure that you're actually practicing, and before you start, loosen up a little bit, whether that's breathing or shaking it out, just so that you're not stuck in a position like this that's going to cause you to need to see a chiropractor after you finish the video. Just let yourself shake it off, shake off the nerves and just get ready. I'm not going to be perfect. That's just fine. I'm just going to have fun. So tip number five, once you're all practiced, and you breathed and you're shaking out the tension in your shoulders, you're ready to do the video. Speak slowly, speak clearly. Make sure that you leave room for some pauses so the person can actually take in what it is that you are talking about or teaching or explaining. If it's a really complicated topic, make sure that you're actually breaking it down into points that are going to be easy for the person to actually understand. And maybe that's by adding in humor, or maybe it's by adding in point one, point two, point three, so that the person can really follow along and they can understand what it is that you're trying to convey. Tip number six, it's great to think of this just as a conversation. Think that you are talking to a friend of yours or someone that you're familiar with or a family member, so that if you are really natural in how you're speaking, you're just having a conversation with somebody, it's going to take on a really different feel than it is if you are going to think of this as a conversation. Talk to someone as if you know them. That kind of reading of a script, while it might make you feel more confident or more secure in what you're going to be saying, it very often doesn't come across as being just a real conversation. So move around as you're talking, or be you, or if you use your hands, you can use your hands. It can't be overly distracting. All of a sudden you're out of the frame and it's jarring to watch. So just pretend you're talking to a friend and have a good time. And that is my last tip, which is have fun when you're making videos. Smile. People can feel that energy of fun and smiliness. Obviously, if it's a serious topic, then you don't necessarily need to always smile, but there should be some sense of enjoyment that this video is actually an activity that is not onerous or not difficult, but is actually something that can be fun for you to do. So I hope those tips have been helpful. I hope you have a good time the next time you make a video. and let me know how it goes for you. I'm always interested to hear. You can find me at mary@marypurdy.co. That's .co, C-O, not .com. Thanks so much, and be well. Have fun making those videos.